Today I'm going to show you how to use this new HDMI adapter with for S3 similar is coming for S2 and HTC devices. This is all about how to use directly connect your mobile phone which is MHL enabled devices coming with standard MHL micro USB output, and then you can use them directly with your HD TV. Here you go. Just if you look, you will have actually two outputs. Here is the cable. If you look at this adapter, this is cable, and you have to just put this HDMI adapter in your HDMI out. Okay, there is USB for providing the power, and you can just give it power it from normal standard charger, mobile charger. And that's, here we come. Here is actually the main part, that is it's micro USB. It is now, there are two types coming in it. One is with 5 pin, and the other one is coming 11 pin. 11 pin is new devices just like S3, S Note, Note 2, and like that. 5 pin is in old devices like S2 and Nexus, then similar HTC devices. So I will just now plug my S3 and show you how it works. So here I am going to plug. Okay, here you go. And just you can see it is immediately appearing your mobile screen on your television. So let me show you how further you can have more fun with it. Let's go to into applications, and here you can have a lot of stuff. Let me show you some video. Let's see how it plays. Just it is full HD. If you look at carefully, it is just same screen is going there, and it is playing 1080. Okay, I just pause it here. Now let me show you where is actually the real fun. That's how you can play your games. Yes, here you go. Your install applications, you can directly, you will be able to play your games, anything, watch your favorite videos, movies. Hope you will like this.